Unboxing tayo ng Canon Pixma TS6420A. RRBC? BC. Ay. May kasamang brochure. Yung mga papel-papel lang siya. Tapos brochure. May kasamang photo paper. Photo paper. This is the charger. Ay, the color. The color here. May kasamang color. Dalawang kulay. Maybe this is the color.
Oh, that's you were vlogging.
Yeah, you first.
Oh, yeah, you are.
I told you. Then.
I
Distracted. Ay. Yeah. What's the color? And there's a photo paper. Wow, I love this one. Pixma. My favorite. The Pixma. Charger. This is the calling card. Open. Open.
Oh.
I ordered it 3 weeks ago. Just arrived now. Calling card. Business card.
Finish with the drink?
Yeah, 3 weeks ago I ordered that. Long time arrived.
Wow.
And that is only $7, babe.
It's like the icing. Like
Yeah,
sugar
the
icing.
drip. Babe, and that is only $7.
Oh.
The cheap. Look at the back.
Christmas cake, cookies, cake pops, pretzels, sweet and pastry. Free delivery Mercury is gonna anything further is move up. Guys, please support our business. Our sprinkles. We just got the business card. You can contact me or Arlene.
Yeah, here.
You taking orders.
Here.
This is official.
Yan, calling card. Yan. May baliktad man. The other side. The other side. Yeah, I can give to people. Yeah. Simple. Where is one here? And then this is for here.
ASMR unboxing. You
Unboxing.
know that's what it's called, ASMR. People do this. They just talking. They just
Ah, like that. I see that
make
one.
sounds.
Yeah, only open.
They always use gloves like shh.
Yeah.
Take out all the tape. It's all the beginning.
We'll get a paper.